Good morning everybody, I hope you're all feeling fantastic. I am back with another video now. Today's video is actually going to be a catch and cook challenge. So I'll say it might be because I don't know if I'm actually going to catch a fish, and because it's got to be legal size. So I've been here for about, I don't know, 15 minutes. I have caught like little tiny fish, little tiny brim. Nothing's big enough yet, but I thought I'd turn on the camera now or else I won't end up making a video. So I am actually using a new camera today. So I've actually purchased a new camera. I can't really show you what it looks like, but yeah, let me know in the comments if you like this recording a bit better, if the quality is a little bit better. Forgive me for my eyes as well, it's sunny out, and I have forgotten my oh, I'm getting bites. I have forgotten my sunnies. So here we are. I actually don't know what this is called. I think Port River or something like that. It's not far from my house, about 30-minute drive. And yeah, so I've seen all these challenges on YouTube, and I thought I'd give it a go, try to catch a legal size fish. And I did bring the portable gas stove, so I will end up cooking them up if I catch something. Now my game plan is, I've got, oh, keep touching the zoom, how cool is that, just bang bang. Anyway, so my game plan is, I've got a tiny rod trying to catch little fish, see if there's any legal brim down there, and then I've got another rod to chuck out real far with big bait on it. So fingers crossed we can catch something decent enough that we can cook and eat for lunch. I am getting hungry, not gonna lie. But yeah, let's just get straight into it, enough talking. Alright, so I have just caught a fish just then. That's what I'm talking about, it's a real tiny fish. This is a Tommy, I reckon. I mean, I can't really, I don't even know what that is actually. I reckon a Tommy or a salmon or something. But yeah, it's too small. It's not chips, I want something decent, you know. So I mean, I was going to cut it up and I can put on this big hook that I've got that I can chuck out, but I did end up buying a bag of pilchards, sorry. So I will be using that. I mean, I could put live bait out there, but my rod's not strong enough for something big. So we're going to let him go and yeah, try to fish for something a bit bigger. Cool. So basically, I'm just going to try up this one for now. Yeah, I'm getting heaps of bites. There's a ton of fish down here, but they were just real small, but it's a bit of fun for now. I will be getting that rod in the water. I've got a big hook on there that I can cast out real far as well with a bigger sinker. Put a big chunk of pilchard on there and just hope for the best. I'll let it sit out there while I can play around here with these little tiny fish. Who knows, I might even be able to catch a legal size one from here. So as soon as we did get here, I did end up seeing a pretty big brim, so I reckon it is possible. If not, I might just be getting a lure out or a soft plastic or something to see if they'll chase that. So I know the big ones don't really go after this bait, they're too smart. So shout out to my girlfriend for actually getting these shots for me. I could put it down, but there's just too much going on. I can't run it to play on the video. Anyway, I am going to get this rod out. Well, that one sits in there. There's a bunch of brim down there. So yeah, what I'll do, I've got my pilchard. I'll just cut up a little chunk out of it. Something like that. Put on my big hook. Just like so. And then I'll cast it out. Yeah, I'm getting bites on the other rod, so I'll quickly cast this one out before it takes my rod in. I'll let it sink. And I'll put this down. Just keep looking at that rod. I'm going to put this down probably over here. Fishing a little bit longer. Just keep catching these ones. I mean, it's a bit small. I could cook it up, but it's nothing too fancy. So I've been getting bites in that bigger rod. I'm just going to wait around for another hour or so. Forgive me if I don't catch anything, because this video will be boring. Anything big anyway. But this one here has just swallowed that whole. But yeah, I guess I'll just keep turn that camera on when something exciting happens. Hopefully I do get something big. Just got to keep looking at that rod because there's always bites on it, big ones as well. Just caught another, I think they're called Tommy. Oh, shout out the new gigs. This one here is a lot bigger, so I might keep this one, and I'll, don't know what size they've got to be legal, but I'll just search it up in a sec, and but for now I'll just keep him. So that's the biggest fish so far that we have caught. It's a good size, awesome size. So yeah, I'm just going to fish for a bit longer. I reckon I found a secret spot. It was just a bit further up, and there's less small ones and a lot of bigger ones, so we'll keep fishing for a bit longer. But he's alright. I might even, because I'm thinking I'm going to have to cook something in this video. I can't just go home with just catching small fish. So get my bucket. I've got an aerator as well, so they will be staying alive until I do my research. And look, if they're too small, they're undersized, I will be chucking them back in. I'm not going to be killing undersized fish, so who knows, it could be undersized or it could be just legal. So happy about that. Look at that, beautiful piece of meat. So I quickly did my research, and as I was doing that, I chucked the rod in and got another one, but this one's a lot smaller. Now it could be a Tommy or a salmon. I could be wrong, could be actually really wrong. But with the Tommies, there's no limit size on those, but with the salmons, there is a limit, like 25 to 35 or something like that. So, I mean, that's pretty much 25, I guess. So basically what I'm doing is flicking it out just like that, and I'll slowly reel it in. But anyway, so I reckon it was the last video, I was talking about hitting 150 subscribers, and now here we are a couple of weeks later, we're on 162. So I thank everyone who has subscribed. I thank you so much. You guys have been smashing the like button and the subscribe button, so appreciate you all. And look, let's try hit 200 subscribers by the end of the year. That'd be a good goal. My goal was to hit 150 and we smashed that, so I believe we can hit 200, sorry. So yeah, thank you so much to everyone, and whoever's new to the videos and to the vlogs, smash that subscribe button, don't be scared. Just as Taylor turned off the camera, I've got another one. Now this here, it's a little bit different. Ow. It's a nice size. I think this is a Tommy, that there is a salmon, I reckon. Or a shitter, whatever you call them. I did hear that they're not too nice to eat. Or this might be a salmon, I'm not too sure. Put down in the comments below what you reckon they are. Should start doing more of my research. But there it goes. I probably wasn't going to keep that anyway. All good though, we can keep fishing. They fight good. Some smaller ones, but it's good fun. There's a few big ones coming out now actually, so it's just a matter of hooking them up or not. There's actually real decent sizes down there, so I'm pretty confident on catching a nice sized one. So the one I'm doing, I'm not using any sinker whatsoever, so it's just the bait of the weight. That is the weight. Let out a bit of, there we go. Let out a bit of slack. I'll just leave it down like that, let them take it. Yeah, there's a snook down there, there's two. Look, bang, got another one. Look at that. Easy as that. So it's just a matter of trying to hook up a bigger one. And obviously I am throwing them in the water. So we had the camera off for about 10 minutes or so. Probably longer than that actually. We have been catching the real tiny ones, but me and Taylor have just hooked up. I had two rods in the water. One hooks up, then the other one hooks up. I was using it with both hands, so and Taylor takes one rod off. So we both caught one fish at the same time. And these ones are a lot bigger as well. Come have a look at these size. Look at that. That is oversized by sure. That is legal, I mean. So, that's awesome. There you go. So we do have enough to cook. The other one is kind of dead, but and this one here, I mean, it's pretty good size. Oh, it's for its eye. We'll leave that in anyway. Cool. So I've just hooked up to another decent size. This one's going crazy. This might be bigger than those ones. I'll lift him up right now. There you go. They're all starting to come out now. I've actually found a secret on what they kind of like, so I'm mixing up a couple baits together. But have a look at that, that's a beautiful size. We are going to feast tonight. I hope these taste good, to be honest, because I definitely know there's a species in here that people talk about that aren't really good tasting fish, but we've got a few in there, so.
Sorry.
Alrighty guys, so we're just going to finish up for today just so we can get home and we got time to cut up the fish. I'm going to clean them here so when we get home we just got perfect fillets to chuck straight on the pan, so we don't have the dirty mess at home. But yeah, no, it was a good day. We did catch a few. A lot of small ones, but a lot of ones that are legal. I'm watching my rod, sorry, there's a lot of bites. So I'm going to get these chopped up. We're going to pack up and then I'm probably going to turn on that camera once we get home. Yeah. Alrighty guys, so I've just finished filleting all the fish. Filleting. We've got a couple of slices here of just good meat. Come in a bit closer.
Hey.
There's a bit. That'd be on you, that's alright. Quickly show me, and there you go. Gone. And there you go. So I got 6 slices of just good meat. We're just about to pack up everything and then we're going to go home and I'll probably put them in a batter or something and then I'll fry them up for you guys. So stick around, we won't be there too long, another couple minutes. The funny thing about YouTube is in my click of a finger I'll be home. So alrighty guys, so we have just made it home. Now I know what you're thinking, you'd rather me be cooking all this food, all these fish fillets out on the beach in front of the water, and it'd make more sense, but we were just keen to come home. I smelled like fish and I just needed to wash my hands properly. And anyway, we're home. We've got a nice beautiful kitchen to use instead of being out there in the wind, salt, sand, going everywhere. So anyway, we got just 2 eggs in there, a bit of salt, bit of pepper in that. I've stirred that up, just shush, it's gonna be good. And some flour, I think it's self-raising flour, I don't know. Flour is flour. Got my fish fillets all here. And I've got my pan. I've got just a little bit of oil in there, just to be over the bottom of the surface. I'm going to heat that up now, let that crank. Now I'm going to have a look at these and see if I want to take out the bones or not, because there is a few bones at the top of them, but we'll see how we go. It's been warming up for the last 10 minutes now. I spent 10 minutes trying to get out most of the bones, as you can see here. There's a fair few bones in there, so obviously I probably didn't get 100% bones out, but look, when I bite into it, just have to bite in slow. Anyway, all I'm going to do is dip it in the egg. Simple as that. Actually, I probably should wait for that pan to heat up. I'll just let them all marinate in the egg, just like that. That oil has heated up. I'm just going to grab one of these fillets. Dip it in the flour, go the other way as well, get a good coating over it, and then we can just chuck it straight in, just like that. I'll do it to the rest of them. Alright, so I'm going to check if they're cooked on one side. We'll leave them in a bit longer. Alright, so we're just about to flip them. They're starting to cook, getting brown underneath. Look at that. Beautiful. Alrighty guys, so these are ready to go. All done. Just going to turn it off. Chuck them in the plate. Look at that. That's what you want. Look at that big chunk. Another fat one. Beautiful. Let it cool down for a bit and then I'll give it a taste test and see how we go. So yeah, this is probably the first time, actually it is the first time actually catching fish, coming home quick and cooking it up. So if you did like this catch and cook challenge, leave a thumbs up or leave a comment down below that you liked it, and then I'll probably do it again. But I'm thinking of doing a camping one as well, like a solo camping, something like that, where I can just cook it at the beach on a fire. I think that'll be a lot better, a lot more interesting, instead of coming home and having a brand new kitchen. I'll just have to figure out how to cook it out there. So I mean, if you do like the idea, give it a thumbs up, this video. Yeah. The moment of truth. See if it does actually taste decent. I don't even know where to start. Start on the first one, I guess. Hopefully there's no bones in it. Look at that, how it just comes apart. Rips apart. Look at that, falls apart. Definitely cooked. Alright, let's give it a taste. Bit hot. Okay, hot. Not gonna lie though, that is the juiciest fish I've ever had. Don't know if it's because I had like 4 litres of oil in that pan, but pretty sauce with that. Let me see what I got. Alright, so we got some of this special sauce. Give that a crack. Oh mate. Taylor said to save some fish and bring it home for her mum, but I'm not gonna lie, I'm probably gonna eat it all. I'm hungry as well, and that's really good. Alrighty guys, so that is going to conclude the whole entire video. I really hope you guys liked it, because we were out in the sun for a couple of hours and we are roasted. So please like this video if you thought it was a cool video, and if you'd like me to do it again, leave it down in the comments below. If you haven't subscribed, join the family. We're about to hit 170 subscribers, another 8 more. So get onto the video, get on my channel, subscribe, like, share, anything you want. Give it a comment if you want. So yeah, till next time.